Ooh, wow. He hit it like a freight train. I was going to turn the light on and I just heard drag, which is a wonderful sound. Well, river rats, I got some bait, but I don't have a lot of bait. And if I'm gonna be out here as long as I wanna be, which is a good long while, I'm gonna need some more. So let's go. Yeah, so we got this little creek mouth thing here. Lots of times there's bait in creek mouths. Sometimes there isn't, but hopefully this time there is. We're gonna check it out. Probably get my net ready. Oh yeah, I just ran them over like an idiot. Oh yeah, they're spooked everywhere. Yeah, I'm not very smart. Yeah, I'm not super confident in this area. Kind of feel like it's a good area to hang up a net, is what I'm feeling right now. There's some big fish in here. That might be a school of chads, or it might be a tree. I'm thinking it's a tree. Oh yeah, it's definitely a tree. There's definitely some crappies on it. I'm gonna try really hard not to get distracted. Focus on the task at hand. I feel like I'm coming up a swamp. That might be chads. Or it might be really big bass. Watch me throw the net and land on like 8-pound largemouth. Wonder if there's a fish on it. All right, I said I wasn't gonna get distracted, but I like to catch fish. Oh yeah, there's crap eyes on it. Is the boat gonna slow down? He liked it, he didn't love it. No shad, no crappies. One snag. We got one back. Let's try a different creek mouth. Well, I'm not seeing much. The dumb part is I ordered a bunch of skipjack from Mark Cooper. He's a commercial bait guy and does a good job of it. But I left him at home because I'm like, I'll be fine. I can get shad. Kind of an idiot sometimes. That might be shad. You shad or you a tree? 50-50 on it right now. Now I'm really annoyed that I ran over those shad earlier. You hear things moving around on the bank. Well, the good news is starting to see a few more shad. The bad news is it's running out of daylight. Still feel like I'm playing with fire a little bit, considering how many trees are in here. I saw a big old school up here. Just one though. It wasn't like a whole bunch of shad in an area. It was a single school of shad. They're around here somewhere. That might be them. Nope, that's a tree. I hear a turkey. There they are. They don't look very big. They're flying. Not sure I got them. Well, I was around them. Oh, they're all, I nailed them, but they're all little threadies. They're a heck of a lot better than nothing. Don't need the little ones. I can put 2 or 3 of you on a hook for sure. Unless we see a big school of nice ones. I think this is all we're gonna throw at. I'll leave the net out though. Oh, there's one more stuck in there. We're definitely fishing though. Well, I drove around for a while and did not find any more bait, but the sun's getting pretty low and I just want to fish, and we have some bait, so I don't know if we're going to be fishing all night like the original plan. I can fish for a few hours and cook up some dinner on the boat and maybe get lucky and stumble on one. We'll see how our presentation goes. Does not appear that there's any current. There's supposed to be a little bit. Oh, we'll try. Give her a try. If we can't anchor, then I'll just nose up on the bank and drop the talons down and bomb them out. That can get the job done too. I got 5 rigged, 1 unrigged, so I think I'm gonna fish 5. I might get the other one set up, but 5's a pretty good amount. Honestly, I have no idea how we're even staying oriented the right direction, but whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 60 feet from the big one. Should be right in front of him. We're definitely going to be swaying, so I'm going to definitely leave some slack in the line. Would love to see the slack disappear out of that line. Not from the trolling motor losing its mind. Would love this a whole lot more if there was some current. There might just be a little. Of course, as soon as I'm just about to get them all casted out, we get a little wonky. Pretty standard operating procedure. Need a big one to bite, pull us straight. One fun, interesting variable is it's supposed to rain tonight, like a lot. So we don't have much current now, if any. We're about to have a whole bunch, I think. Okay, I dig that. Okay. Hopefully we stumble across a dumb one. Ooh, he pulled the slack out, then he dropped it. That dirty dog. Ooh. There we go. Well, he caught me snoozing. He's straightening the boat out. He's gonna be in some lines. Yeah, he's in that one for sure. It's one thing you don't have to watch, because you'll hear it if it's a decent one. He's growing a little bit. Yeah. How's he tangled? Doesn't look too bad currently. It definitely could turn bad. Feisty little blue cat. I got brats that need eating, so you're in luck, bud. Okay, got her. Yeah, on the board. Wasn't so optimistic with the lack of current, but and then, you know, the less than ideal bait selection, but we got one and he smacked it. Okay, see ya. Cool. Suppose I'll probably do the exact same thing. He ate some thread fins. I'm going to give this about another 10 minutes or so, and dinner time. Oh, wow. He hit it like a freight train. I was going to turn the light on and I just heard drag, which is a wonderful sound. Oh, these guys are gonna make it hard to leave. Yeah, one's got a little more zip than the last one. Very roly-poly-ish. Yeah, he whacked it. I didn't think I cast it as far as I did. Guess he did pull a decent amount of line off. This is the one that I threw out in Never Never Land. Gotta keep him off the useless drift sock and off the boat. What do we have here? A dandy. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Sweet. All right, net, come here. I'm gonna need you. Oh no. All right, untangle. Oh yeah, that's a bruiser. Come here. In the net he goes. Oh, stay in the net. Sweet. Glad I stuck it out for just a little bit. Oh, come here. Yep. I really wish I had more bait. Oh. These guys are gonna be cruising. Yes, please. Bless you. He's long. He's got kind of a messed up face. Where's he hooked? Oh, the opposite. No, under the bottom lip. Ella's calling me immediately right after I caught that fish. That's hilarious. Usually when she calls me, I get a bite. This fish just was a little early. Okay. Ooh, wow, those pads are mean feeling. Quit it. It's like, no, I'll do what I want, because I'm big. Oh. This one's gonna get me slimy. Ain't no way around it. Oh, quit it. Hopefully you don't beat me up too bad. Didn't have a whole lot of hope with the lack of current. Poor bait and all that other stuff, but the second fish of the night. Bless you. And it's a dandy. All right, gonna let make a burp face go. Quit. Yep. Okay. Probably a lanyard. Let's see it, buddy. Quit. Don't yank me in the water. Quit it. Didn't take the time to weigh him, but I'm gonna bet he was mid-40s. If I twas a betting man. And I am, so I'd take that bet. Do I pull off on the bank to cook? Or do I stick it out? I do know we're supposed to be getting some more current. Not a lot, but very fishable amount. Let me get a bait back out while I think about it. Oh, I think we got one over here. Oh, he is tiny. Where's he at? Oh, he ran a long ways over. Okay. Little baby blue. We try to keep him out of the other lines. Come on. You might, yeah, you got in it right at the end. You dirty. Oh, and he popped off. At least the tangle wasn't too bad. I saw him. He was about probably 5 pounds ish. We mitigated tangles. Minimized. Yeah. Words. Getting more action on the threadies than we are on the gizzards, but the quality is substantially different so far. All right, hopefully get another one. I want to get another one like that last one. Not the one that got away, but the one that we landed. I knew he was pretty nice, but I love it when you get them to the boat and they're bigger than what you think they are. There's a very large critter moving around in the woods. I have a light that's bright enough to possibly see it. I think I do. I think I have a spotlight. Oh, it's dead though. That would have been cool. Maybe it would have been like Tyrannosaurus Rex and I would have been scared. I can still hear it. It's not tiny. Well, pulled up to our dinner spot. Got a few lines casted out. Gonna get the rest of them and then on to the taters. Had all these groceries bought. I was gonna do this big elaborate camping trip. Could turn the light on. There we go. But then life got in the way. That was not where I wanted it. That was way deeper than I thought it'd be, so that's where it's gonna stay. That means it's on the ledge, which is, turns out that is where I wanted it. Well, the taters are gonna take a while, so I should probably get them going. This would be a wonderful time to get a bite, which I guess any time is a wonderful time to get a bite, so there's that. These hash browns have been through the ringer. We'll see what they look like. Just for the record, this is not the most stable burner, and I definitely wouldn't recommend it in any kind of waves whatsoever, but I shouldn't even cook with it in the boat. But I'm hungry, it's what we got. Do I have a spatula? Oh, I do. Sweet. You know what? I think I'm going to do hash browns and eggs, because I do have eggs. Like I said, I was ready for a 3-night camping trip, food-wise. And it just didn't work out, so we're going to do an evening fishing trip. Hopefully catch another nice one like that last one. And enjoy some breakfast for dinner. See how these guys look. Yeah, they look all right. The sacrificial one. Add a few more. I think we'll just cook them all. Leftover potatoes never get wasted around me. We got a nibble, I think. Oh, 2 nibbles. Where's the boat? The boat wouldn't be moving. We have talons down. They are just that, nibbles. Be cool if one of them turned into a flathead. Yeah, I got this one here and that one there. They look equally serious. Yeah, that one. There we go. There's a little bit of weight. Nope, he gone. Probably a small channel cat. Ooh, that one looks more serious. Is he sprinting with it, or he just dropped it? Oh, he pulled it down pretty good. Huh. Weird. All right, potatoes, where are we at here? Oh yeah, we got some crispy brownness. Ooh, maybe a little burnt. Whoops. Tell where the hot spot's at. Okay. Well, that was almost exciting. Well, we're steadily making some progress. They gonna be crunchy when they're done, which those are my favorite kind of potatoes. Yeah, I pretty much love all potatoes as long as they're crispy. Hash browns, French fries. Baked potatoes aren't very crispy, but I like them too. Wind's definitely picking up. I think we're gonna have some weather coming in, so the quicker you guys get done cooking, the better. I think we had a bite. I don't want to slacked up more than it was. Didn't think we would have swayed that much. I don't know. I haven't heard any drag. It never ceases to amaze me how much taters cook down. Now we're gonna follow this up with some eggers. Man, it's gonna be awesome. Then it can start raining. Just gotta get this done first. Ooh, we have a nibble. That's all it is kind of a nibble. Yeah, he came off. So I don't talk about where I fish that much, but I'll tell you why I'm fishing here. There's a pretty much boring, uniform drop-off with scattered timber on it. But where I'm at, it levels out just a little bit. So you have a drop-off. In this part, it's not as steep of a drop-off, and there's a whole bunch of timber on it. And I saw some fish here, but even if I didn't, I would have stopped and fished it, because fish concentrate around places like this at night. Slightly shallower, lots of cover, lots of food for them to come and eat. It's about that time. Real close. Getting the paper towels ready. This would be the time we hook a big one, because this would be when things start to burn. Shouldn't have flipped that. It was doing good. Oh, what did I just say? Yep, this one's actually on there. He didn't rip any line, but he buried it pretty good. Oh, that's funny. We'll try to horse him in so he don't burn any taters. He's no world beater, but he's a nice fish. Oh yeah, a little pudgy bud. All right, I'm gonna leave you right there. I'm gonna make sure my potatoes don't burn. Okay, where are we at right now? Oh, easy, paper towel. We're doing okay. Doing okay enough to mess with that fish real fast. Easy, champ. I gave him a chance to get his breath, catch his breath. Open up, open up. His jaw is clamped shut. Okay, we got him. Get the hook out. Get him untangled. He pulled it down pretty darn decent. I guess I could be a decent videographer and turn my light off. There we go. Yeah, another fun one. With the potatoes probably pretty close to burning. He bounced his forehead off the boat. Oh yeah, I bet there's some blackness in there. Oh no, they're perfect. Crispy brown, golden brown. We're just about doneskis, guys, with the taters. Got a fish, got a meal coming. It's so funny how one rod is getting all the action. Not all of it, but definitely the two most promising bites and the one fish that got in the boat came from one rod. And yes, I'm going to rebait it even while cooking, because I'm the only one eating, and it don't bother me. I will rinse my hands off. All right, I cranked her up just a little bit. I hear the right kind of sizzle. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I think that's gonna do just fine. Turn her down a little bit for the eggs. Should have a towel or something to grab this cast iron, but the only towel I got in the boat's the bait towel. So we're gonna try to get the hash browns out without it. As many as we can. Okay. Egg time. How many of these do I want? 3? We'll go 3. Oh, did I say 3? I meant 4. Well, that's coming along quite nicely as well. My kind of scrambled. I think the eggs are about done. Perfect timing, just had a nibble. Well, we have no open fires in the boat. It's a great time to get a bite. I'm not sure if I'm going to eat all this, but the great thing about this system, ooh, I need another paper plate. There we go. So even if I don't eat all that, I can just shove it in a gallon baggie and eat the rest tomorrow. Come here. Now the only thing we're missing is a 100-pounder. Now we'll see if there's any leftovers. Believe it or not, I didn't eat all the hash browns. Well, let's take another bite. All right, I'm probably gonna eat all the hash browns. Once I do that, I'm gonna pick up and we're gonna move spots. I love potatoes. We got a nibble. Slow bob and nibble. Flathead? Flathead would be pretty cool. Could be a gar too. The fact that he pulls it down and then drops it and then pulls it down and drops it makes me think it's a gar. Are you for real? Kind of acted for real for a second. He's on there for the moment. I don't know if he was hanging over something or if he's better than he bit. I think this is the one I threw a long ways. It could definitely be over some junk. Oh, we got 2 of them going? I think we do. Or did. Doubles. I think this is a flathead. Oh no, we'll never know. Thought he was in the other line. All right, we get a second chance. I'll take it a little easier on this one. Because I doubt, if the last one didn't get a good hook, then this one definitely didn't either. Not a terrible fish. Is there such a thing as a terrible fish? What do we have? I just gotta know. Oh, a lazy blue cat. That's probably what the other one was too. The flathead's just wishful thinking. I think he's hooked pretty decent. Decent enough to get in the boat. I'm catching some fish this evening, guys. There we go. He's got a skinny tail. Huh. They're all built different. I appreciate that. I get a kick out of that. He is the world's most tentative blue cat. You get to go back, buddy. See ya. Could add 2, but I'll take 1 over none. Do I have any big shad left? I don't think I do. That's all we got left, guys. Yep, that's what we'll throw out then. That's a better nibble, at least a more enthusiastic nibble. You just all roly-poly. Glad we made a move. Almost glad we didn't stop here when I was cooking. A little late. If he ain't better, he's a good actor. Not a bad fish. What do we have, guys? I don't think he is any better. He's just meaner. Yeah. He's a little thicker. Yeah, he's about twice as big. Okay, here. Yeah, another good one. He's light colored. Came out of the deep water, moved shallow at night. See you, buddy. Pretty quick action here. I dig it. Got another bait conveniently stashed right here. It's like I planned it that way or something. This is a giant timber pile over here. The other thing that makes it sweet is it's out of the wind too. Just like, well, and I guess the fish are biting over here. That's kind of nice too. All right. Well, we got a bite. Slow. Or is that just all you got? Kind of leaning towards the second. Oh, bet you that was a flathead. Dang it. Got antsy. Should probably reel that in. You moved that a long ways. I just want every one of them to be a flathead. We got another one going. Oh, there he felt the hook. Is he still there? Yep. I didn't want to jump the gun. It's such a warm, humid night. It kind of just feels like flatheads. I don't think this is one. Oh, he surfaced like a whale. He's not a whale. He's a catfish. Surprise. He's fitting in with the rest of them. Yeah, it's a good little evening. Come here, bud. Quit it, quit it. Man, he is cold. Got it. You boys keep me busy. Much appreciated. I just about leaned over too far, but I didn't, so everything's okay. The good news is if I did fall in, it'd be in like 4 feet of water, so whatever, you know. Be cold, but not life-threatening. Well, unless I like hit my head. This got kind of morbid really quick. I'm just going to cast out some more bait. Well, it's pretty hot and heavy there for a minute. Things have definitely slowed down. Still don't have, I mean, I'm about out of bait, so I could probably fish for another, I don't know, at least another spot, but if I stay out much longer, it'd be one of them where I'm going to be tired enough. I should probably just sleep on the boat, not drive, but I think I'm going to head home. So, hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Appreciate the heck out of you taking time to watch. It means a ton. Hope you catch a giant.